today we will learn the subject rounding decimals. So first of all, let's understand what is a decimals. For example, we have like this expression 1.67. So what does it mean, this point? This point separates the numbers into two parts, which called this part its whole part, and this part is called decimal part. So today we will work only with decimal parts. It means the numbers after the point. So how can we understand what is a 1.67? It means it's like $1.67. Sometimes it can be 1 soms and 67 tens, or for example 1 ruble and 67 копеек. It's Russian value. So now let's understand the part of a decimals. For example, if we have a number 1.369, this part, what I said before, it's whole part. So after point, the first number it's called tens. This part is called hundreds, and this part called it's thousands. So after 9, if we would have another number like 4, for example, it's gonna be 10,000 and so on. So today we will learn how can we round the decimal parts, like nearest to the tens, nearest to the hundreds, nearest to the thousands, nearest to the 10,000, nearest to the 1,000 and 10,000 and so on. So if after the point we have the first number, only one number, it means we have just tens part. If we have after point 2 numbers, it means we have hundreds part. If we have after point 3 numbers, it means we have thousand parts. So now let's understand another subject. It's sub-subject, how can we round it? So today we are going to understand how we need to round the decimals. So we understood that decimals is a number with a point like 2.3, 6.9, 0.6 and so on. So for example 3.45 we need round to the tens. So when we are rounding, we need draw like this sign. It means approximately equal, not exactly equal like this. It approximately equal. So for example, let's round near to the tens. So we need round nearer, closer to the tens. So what is first of all, where is the tens part? So from the decimal part, we need first to find where is the tens part. Tens part is the first number after point. So 4 is the tens. So to write, so we need round it 3 point, and after point we need have only one number due to we need round to the tens. So if we have the number 4, it's gonna be closer to the 3. If we have the number 4, it means we need to see the next number. For example 5. 5, if it in the middle of a scale, 5 can be held to the 4, and it will be 3.5. So we can write instead of 3.45 3.5. But if we have, for example, 0.23, it approximately, if you want to round to the tens, so it means we need look for just the first number. After point there is a tens. So after point we need to see the next number. There is a 3. If 3 less than 5, so 3 cannot help to the 2, so we need to write just 2. If 3 will be 5 or bigger than 5, so can help to the previous number and add 1. But in this case, 3 not equal to 5, not bigger than 5, so 3 cannot help to the neighbor. So we now rounded 2 numbers to the tens. Now I want to explain how we need round to the hundreds. So let's see next number, 0.39. We need round, it means approximately equal, and we need round to the hundreds. 100. So first of all, let's say what is the let's look for what is a 100. If this one is a tens, so this one is a hundreds. Due to in the 100 we have 2 zeros, so after point the second number is a hundreds. So now let's round the number to the hundreds. It means after point you must have only 2 numbers. So first number, the tens number, we need to rewrite, and now we need to think about 3. So to understand, will be 3 stay as a 3 or will become as a 4, we need to see the next number. If the next number equal to 5 or bigger than 5, so it can be help to the previous number and can add 1. So instead of 3, we are writing 4. So we rounded these decimal numbers to the 100. So next number, for example, 3.513. Let's round to the hundreds again to make a clearly understandable the subject. Hundreds. Let's see. First of all, we need to understand the hundreds. There is a second number after point, so we need to write 3 point and only 2 numbers after point. So 3 point something and something. 5, the first number, due to its tens, we need to rewrite it. But next number 1, we need to write as a 1. Why? Because next number is 3. 3 not equal to 5. We said that next number must be bigger than 5 to help to the previous number. So 3, it's not a rich number. So rich numbers, it's numbers bigger than 5 and equal to 5. So 3 cannot help to 1. So we need just write 1 and 1 will not change. Now let's see next number. For example, 112.00 and 49. So this number, there is a big number which the whole numbers is a 3 decimal number. After point we have 4 numbers which are tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Now this number we need round. So I'm writing the sign equal, approximately equal, and we need round this number to the nearest thousand. Nearest thousand. So firstly, let's understand what is a thousand. Due to this after point, the first number is a tens, this number is a hundreds, and next number will be thousands. So we need now write after point only 3 numbers due to we need round to the thousand. So it will be 112, and after point we need to write only 3 numbers due to we are rounding to the thousands. So first number is a tens, hundreds, we need to rewrite Now we need to think about 4. So 4 must be stay as a 4, or 4 must be changed to the 5. It's up to the next number. If the next number is a rich number, so which number is a rich? If the number is bigger than 5, so they are called rich. So 9 is a rich number, can help to the neighbor. So if 9 can help to the 4 becoming 5. So nearing to the thousands, it will be 112.005.